I know what you're probably thinking. Cody, Mustang wheels are so overplayed. Everybody with a Crown Vic, a Grand Marquis, or a Lincoln Town Car has done this. And you're right, they have, but they were cheap. I mean, this whole set of wheels, tires, wheels, TVMS sensors, under 500 bucks. So now I'm guilty of it too. Now here's something I didn't think was going to happen for Mustang wheels, which, like, brakes on Mustangs are reasonable size typically, but they don't fit. They don't fit over my brakes. I gotta get spacers for the front, and that sucks. That sucks. Oh, that sucks. They just don't clear. I'm talking like millimeters. Honestly, if I ground down the caliper, which I don't have anything to do that here with, it would fit, but they don't. So back with the Steelies in the front for now. All right, so I got universal spacers for the front, 3mm. I'm hoping that this is just going to be enough to clear the brakes. Yeah, otherwise I'm going to be kind of screwed for the long weekend. I'm going to have to rock Steelies up front. I didn't know that I had like the old junk steel wheel kind of lug nuts before I took the center caps off, so my fault on that one. Let's see if I can save this weekend. It's close. I'm talking close. I'm not sure when I move the wheel if that noise is just from the rotor, normal stuff, or if that's the wheel on the caliper. So only way to find out is to put it on, but it's close. Oh man. So the main difference between lugs that are more so for steel wheels and then other ones for like alloys is that lugs that are more so for steel wheels have a hole in the middle of them and they just look kind of jank if they're on, alloy wheels. And then the alloy ones are more so capped off. Like there's not really any way to get in through the back of them. They just look a lot nicer and they typically have a nicer finish. So I'm going to put these with the new wheels and she's going to look mint. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the lugs on the rear wheels with the proper ones, and I should be ready to cruise for the weekend. So the wheels came out really nicely. I'm going to run with the setup for at least this summer, bare minimum. I haven't even had it on the streets yet, so I don't really know what it looks like. And the last thing to do now is to give it a good bath, go for a nice cruise.